Okay. Should we get a little closer? We didn't do our makeup for nothing.
This will be my...
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my sister and I are gonna do the 4-time spicy noodle challenge. I am really so nervous about this because the first spicy noodle challenge was already like bad where it was killing me. So just to prove you guys, this is it.
Right. Why is my heart beating?
I know.
I'm eating African food. God, I don't want to eat that much.
On your mark.
I don't know, my mouth is all watery. I'm like,
no, me too. On my mark. On my mark.
No. I gotta eat the whole thing. It's spicy, but
it doesn't feel. I don't feel like it's as spicy as the first time spicy.
It tastes like daddy's food.
Yeah,
but I'll still eat it. So how much does the first one taste like? Boy, that joint banging.
The first one's actually really spicy, or maybe I don't know. I don't think this one's as spicy. But I feel like the more you eat it, the more spicy it's gonna become.
Yeah.
Put some extra chapstick. Ooh, you see my ashy elbows? That's the key to make it not hurt your lips.
My nose actually sweating.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to eat this with my chicken. My butthole's not gonna like me.
It's worse when you're swallowing it because it's hot. Can we drink our milk now?
If you want to.
Are you gonna drink yours?
I mean,
I don't want to be no bitch. Are you gonna drink yours?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, drink yours first. Let's drink it together so we know we're both not bitches. Dang it! I'm not losing. Ew, are my lips orange?
It's pretty spicy. But
yeah.
Never back down. Come on.
Never back down. Come on.
Oh, this is really hot.
Yeah. At first it was like, oh. Now it's like, ah.
This will cure your sickness. Almost done.
I'm almost done. Oh, wait, dang. Dang. You know some people said, someone put sriracha in their spicy noodles. I was like, who the hell will do that?
My nose.
If you got sick, it's gone. It's clear. You think Eracy will do this? Who in our family do you think will do this?
Daddy.
Yeah. Without a problem. My nipples. When you're done? Mm-hmm. That's not considered done.
You lost.
Dang, that was hot. That was worse
really
than
spicy.
That was worse than the one. My nose is drooling. That was worse than that one place that we ate, the Wegmans.
It's so orange now. I need some Pepto for this. I'm gonna have explosive diarrhea. It didn't taste that great, like it was seasoning. It just tasted like spice.
Yeah, the first one was spicy, but it still had flavor where you like kind of crave it sometimes. Ow! The more you're drinking and you let go,
it'll ban you.
I'm out of milk.
He needs some milk.
Good God.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, this is gonna have me in the toilet because one is spicy and I'm lactose intolerant. I need water. I can't do this. Do you want water? Fire burning in my heart. I was just about to choke.
Jesus, it's hot. Now it's just burnt.
Message.
The fact that I ate this like any type of African food.
Dang. Do you still go back and eat more? What the heck?
I'm trying to.
Africans never waste food.
Okay,
I think we deserve a Nigerian movie to watch. Alright guys, we're gonna close this out because we're gonna get ourselves together. Did I just put it on my nose? Thank you guys for watching this challenge, and until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye! You have to do that. Wow. Jesus Christ. Hey, this one is hot. Oh wait, we have to do a thumbnail.